Welcome to another video. Today we'll be changing the charcoal filter on a BMW F30. From time to time, the cabin filter, which is the charcoal filter, will get dirty and clogged. So we'll need to replace that occasionally. So this is the new one that we'll be using for this replacement. Set that aside for now. Now to get to the cabin filter, we'll have to remove the trim piece under here. It's held in by two 10mm bolts, one here and the other here. After removing the 10mm bolts, then you just get a grip on it and pull down, and it's further held in by some clips. And just pull it and pull forward. Now the filter is located behind here. It's this piece here. And this will be removed and the filter will pull down to reveal the slot for it and then change it for the new one. So the housing is held in by these T20 screws, and after removing the screws, pull down on the cartridge. So after removing the three T20 screws, you can now remove the case by squeezing on this tab here and pulling down on it. Pulling down, now that filter now then can be removed. Careful not to shake it too much because it will be dusty. Set that aside. Now to put in the new one. Move it from the plastic and then insert it. Now there's an arrow on it to show the direction in which the air should flow through it. Now from here, the fan is on this side, so the air goes that way. So the filter will be turned this way so the air can pass through. Now it's curved, so you'll have to bend the filter now to fit the curvature of the slot that it goes in. So fitting the curvature, then you insert the filter up into the slot. Just like that. And then just replace the cover. And replace the screws that hold it in also. And that's pretty much for replacing the screws. Put on the trim piece and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.